does it work to write with a sewing machine? We're going to go up here and we're going to select letters, and we're going to pick a font. We're going to program this block font, and we just hit the particular letters that we want to write, and it enters them automatically. There's a space, and you touch the next letter and the next letter and the next letter. If you touch the wrong ones, there's a back button to correct it. And when you're done, you can either save it into the memory or you can just sew it out. I'm going to hit the stop button here, so it will only sew it out one time. Otherwise, it would just continue repeating it. And then we're going to go down here and put a piece of fabric in there and see what it looks like. So it shows you the B foot, tells you what needle to use. If you use the sewing advisor, it'll recommend if you need a stabilizer and the foot that you should use, depending on the type of fabric that you choose. So you can see it's quickly putting those letters down, and I'll zoom this over in just a second and you'll see our finished phrase, "For my love," all sewn out with nice clean block letters.